I've actually loved it. Absolutely, the opportunity to be here and be part of a historic event, an iconic event as well, is a real treat for me, an opportunity I just had to say yes to. I've really enjoyed it because the hospitality we've received here has been outstanding. Number two is the food. I've really connected with the food. Number three was the sense of humour, a real connection with the Pakistani people and their sense of humour. I guess there's an element of sarcasm in there, for which in Australians we like to think we connect as well. But also, and mainly, it's been the people. I have absolutely loved the people. Obviously the comm box is where the people we're hanging around with lots. We're joking, we're having fun, and having a great time. But I just think it's just been that the people generally have been so awesome. Well, it's been terrific. The whole series, really iconic in so many ways, and just the greatest example of Test cricket. You're treated to lots of different emotions, and we certainly saw that. But I think the best part about it has been the performance. Players, Australians coming to Pakistan for the first time in 24 years, and having to adapt their skills and adjust them to these local conditions. I've loved it. The hospitality by the people, by everyone has been outstanding. I think just the friendliness, the warmth of the people, brought on by an awesome sense of humour. But it's just been, it really connected. I feel really connected to it. I know that speaking to Rob Key, also, and when we've been in the commentary box, it's a long way. But just to be that exposure to the people here, the way of life, I'd sort of encourage certainly every other cricket country around the world, and I just want to say, I want to congratulate the PCB for putting on, the effort, for going to the effort, but also putting on such a great event.